Hello students, in this video we will discuss about this type of function. Function is integration of px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c. Now for finding this type of function, integration of this type of function, first we should be write here px plus q equal to a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b. We want to change this function into like the previous function already we have discussed in the previous slides. So a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c, that means this will be 2ax plus b plus capital B. Now from here we should be equate the value of a and b, then this will be px plus q equal to 2ax into a plus b into a plus capital B. On comparing both sides, therefore 2ax means 2a into a, 2a into a equal to p, that means coefficient of x equal to coefficient of x. Coefficient of x in the right term is equal to the coefficient of x in the left term. Then 2a into a equal to p, therefore a equal to p upon 2a, and here ba plus b equal to, this is the constant and here constant is q, therefore this will be b into, on the place of a we can write p upon 2a plus b equal to q, or capital B equal to q minus bp upon में 2a, or 2aq minus bp whole upon 2a. This is the value of b. Now we can write, therefore px plus q equal to, on the place of a we write p upon 2a into 2ax plus b plus, on the place of b we can write value of b 2aq minus bp whole upon 2a. Now if we replace px plus q by this function, then this function will convert into I equal to, on the place of px plus q we should be right here p upon 2a into 2ax plus b whole upon ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c plus 2aq minus bp whole upon 2a into 2a into ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Now from here we take as a constant p upon 2a integration over 2ax plus b whole upon ax square plus bx plus c into dx, plus this is the whole as a constant, means 2aq minus bp whole upon 2a integration over 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c into dx. If we put this as a t, then we can get 2ax plus b into dx. So this will be p upon 2a into, the integration of this will be log of ax square plus bx plus c plus 2aq minus bp whole upon 2a integration over, as you seen here, one integration of 1 upon ax square plus bx plus c into dx. This function, about this function already we have discussed in the previous slide, and we have converted this function into 1 upon t square plus minus k square into dt. Now we can integrate this by the previous methods, and we can find the integration of this type of function by this method. Similarly, by same method we can find the another type of function. Function is 1 upon integration of px plus q whole upon root under ax square plus bx plus c into dx also. Now in the next video we will discuss about different type of topics related to integral.